Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Elon Musk just tweeted that they will be accepting Bitcoin to buy Tesla. So I have a bunch of more information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so stay tuned. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification. I do my own research and let you guys know what's up in the market, crypto space, so we together can make some money. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, with some exciting stuff we have to get to, let's go ahead and get on with this video. Elon Musk this morning just posted a tweet March 24th, 2021 that it will be accepting Bitcoin for buying Tesla. More institutions are investing in Bitcoin. As I presented in yesterday's video, number 56 on my channel, Bitcoin's price dropped by about 5% following Powell's comments on Bitcoin, saying that Bitcoin is a speculative asset. This article explained it all on CNBC. Powell said they are highly volatile and therefore not really useful stores of value, and they are not backed by anything. We can see this 5% drop on Monday, but Bitcoin was pretty resilient. It came back a bit after Powell's statement, as we can see on this day, and then today it's up since Elon tweeted that tweet. To support Bitcoin's price, our hero, Elon Musk, immediately did something against Powell's statement. Bitcoin spikes as Elon Musk says you can use it to buy Tesla. Posted March 24th at 12:53 a.m. Very early morning when he tweeted that out. Bitcoin was up 3% against the dollar to $55,444 shortly after the tweet. There was a discernible sustained rally after Musk tweeted. Here are the intraday charts showing the Bitcoin's rise. And also Bitcoin has rallied more than 400% over the last 6 months thanks to growing support from institutional investors and major tech players like Tesla, Square, which is Jack Dorsey's payment company. You can see from this tweet at 12:02 a.m. March 24th, tweeted by Elon Musk, also pinned on his Twitter account. You can now buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. More than 545,000 likes and 83 retweets. I also gave it a like and retweeted it on my page as well. And he also did a subtweet. Tesla is using only internal and open source software and operates Bitcoin nodes directly. Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin, not converted to fiat currency. So when you actually pay for a Tesla with Bitcoin, Tesla as a company will actually not be converting that to fiat currency and will be holding that as Bitcoin. So they will have more than a $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin right now at their current holding. Once people start buying Tesla, there's going to be more Bitcoin inventory that they will be having. Pay by Bitcoin capability available outside US later this year. So it looks like only US people are paying with Bitcoin as of right now, but it looks like Elon Musk is pushing for Bitcoin payments outside of US in the near future. Bitcoin was up 3% after that tweet. Tesla last month, February 8th, 2021, said it bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, plans to accept it as payment. Now it is March 24th and it has been 1.5 months, so Tesla is keeping its promise. This $1.5 billion actually turned into, right now, currently they are worth $2.5 billion in Bitcoin that Tesla has. So they almost doubled their Bitcoin holdings in less than 2 months. The company said at the time it was hoping to accept Bitcoin as payment in the near future. The announcement sent the price of Bitcoin surging. Bitcoin has rallied more than 400% over the last 6 months thanks to support from institutional investors and major tech players like Tesla, Square, Galaxy Digital, Marathon Patent, Riot Blockchain, and etc. So lots of companies are getting into Bitcoin. The price surge has also helped Bitcoin repeatedly reach new all-time highs in recent months. Musk, who recently changed his official bio on Twitter to Technoking of Tesla, has long been an advocate of digital currencies, as well as Bitcoin. He has provided price support to meme crypto Dogecoin this year by tweeting about it, as well as Snoop Dogg. And once Elon tweets about something related to any digital currency, it seems to only go up. Another news which has boosted the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin ETF is just a matter of time, market analyst says after SEC acknowledges VanEck proposal, published March 23, 2021. Looking at the site, the Securities and Exchange Commission acknowledged yet another Bitcoin ETF proposal last week, this one from VanEck. It's the latest of more than a dozen tried and failed proposals from numerous firms over the years, and VanEck's second. The SEC now has 45 days to approve, deny, or prolong its review of the proposal. But with the Biden administration appointing officials to the SEC who have expertise in the cryptocurrency space, approval may be closer than ever, said John Davey, CEO and Chief Investment Officer at Astoria Portfolio Advisors. I would also like to point out that there are many risks to invest in Bitcoin or its related stocks, such as MARA, RIOT, SOS, and CAN. The most important risk is volatility. Bitcoin's price swings of 10% in a day is not unusual. Therefore, if you invest in cryptos, you need to be prepared that the price will change. It will fluctuate dramatically. It will fluctuate wildly and quickly. That's the nature of a new thing in society, a new thing that not many people have accepted yet. It even could go to zero if a major government like the US bans it. Although very unlikely, as I presented in my previous video, we need to be prepared that we could lose all of the money invested in the cryptocurrencies. It is still an unregulated market, but no pain, no gain. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, said when he was interviewed by the Time magazine, if you go back and you look at electricity, not every smart, successful person immediately understood the implications of electricity in the first 12 months after they heard of it. When you come up with a new paradigm, a completely, utterly revolutionary way to see the world, the establishment doesn't normally accept it. And you need a new generation to accept that unless there's a war. Unless you have an extreme experience that forces you to embrace a new idea. I heard that Peter McCormack said on his podcast that it takes 4 years to get your true Bitcoin education. In my experience, this is 100% true. You really have to see a cycle play out and experience both bear and bull markets. Okay, let alone Yellen and Powell, they represent the old generation, an old establishment. We are building a brand new ecosystem. This is revolutionary. Like Amazon 20 years ago, or Facebook 15 years ago, or Apple, the iPhone iOS system 13 years ago, even Tesla 10 years ago, and so on. People were reluctant at the time to accept those companies. Look at those people now. Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Tesla within a short period, 10-year time frame. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to hear your thought on what Elon Musk just did to the cryptocurrency world and Bitcoin. If you would like to buy a Tesla in the future, would you pay Tesla with Bitcoin or use just regular cash, US dollars? Let me know your thoughts. And Bitcoin has seemed to getting pushed more and more and having a lot of good news coming out. Sign up for Coinbase and deposit $100. So you will get $10 worth of Bitcoin, and so will I. If you do sign up with my link, thank you so much for supporting me. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.